First is type of websites. First is type of website we have to understand. So in this, you should know about type of website. The first is, we have categorized the website into two parts. The first is based on functionality, another is based on purpose. We define website on two bases, categorize website on two bases, one on functionality, another on purpose. The first is based on functionality. We have categorized the website into three parts. The first type of websites are static websites, which have a very, which have normal content and which content is not changing. Dynamic websites are those websites which contents keep on changing, where user can put their content into it. And third type of website is responsive website. That type of site is responsive website, where you will be learning or your website is compatible with every device on which it is opened. Like if this website is opened on desktop, it appears like this. If it is on tablet, then it appears like this. On phone, it is like this. It is accommodating the size. The website is compromising or taking the size of the device. Okay, like if it is a big screen, then the ultimate is coming in one line. If the screen is smaller, the ultimate is coming in the next line, two different lines. This is how they are accommodating. So this is known as responsive website. So what is the advantage of responsive website? Yes, you don't have to build different type of website for different devices. You have to build only one website which can work on all the devices. You do yourself. Next is based on the purpose, why you have built the website. On that we define different categories. There are 5 categories primarily. Personal websites, informative websites, business websites, e-commerce website, and social media networking website. Example of personal website could be this, or example of personal website could be like okay, this is a personal website of mine where it is talking about me. Okay, my work ex, my education, my projects, okay, my skill sets, the people who have recommended me, and the contact information. Okay, and the contact information. This is known as personal websites. You can also, sorry guys, you can also make your personal website on this. Just open this URL branded.me. Just open this URL branded.me and you can sign up for free through Google, Facebook and Twitter, and then you can make your own website, own branded website like mine one. Second type of website is, apart from personal, second is informative website, where you get information from. Like websites like Google and Yahoo Answers, websites like various blogs, websites like portals like Flipkart, Amazon, portals like the job sharing portals like Naukri, Indeed, you have Shine.com, there are so many. Information like Wikipedia. Okay, these are more informative sites which gives you free information without any intention to expect anything out of it. Third type of it is small business website and large business website. Small business website and large business website. What is small business website? The website which has limited functionality. Large business websites are generally the websites which have a lot of functionalities. Like example, let me close few of the tabs. Like Flipkart. We have one domain of flipkart.com, another domain is like sellers.flipkart.com. So they have different functionalities. Now you can sell online through this website. You can upload your products at the same time on the same URL. You are buying products. That is what it is known as large business website. Small business websites are those which have only very limited functionalities. Third is e-commerce. E-commerce websites are those websites where buying and selling of the products happens over internet. Buying and selling of the product or services happens over internet, like Flipkart. This is the one. Okay. And last category of website is social media networks. I know you must be knowing it, like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, YouTube, MySpace, Instagram, everything comes under that. So these points are clear.